It answers my question. The third part of my question in Seclusion Hill is, why did you build two cabins, one for yourself in the top of Seclusion Hill and one little below where I believe one of the Mandali members. So why can't the Mandali member be close to you? Why is there a reason why you kept them a little far away?
One is about someone always being with me and taking care of me in physical form for physical needs. Maybe a glass of water,
Communication,
food, communication, so on and so forth, right? So I always had someone to take care of me. And secondly, it is to keep illusion at bay. If I am fighting illusion non-stop, Maya keeping me away from my work, I have to distract Maya.
Correct.
So Maya will get distracted, or illusion cannot hold me if I distract illusion itself. Right? So illusion will be working in that space where there are others. You understand? And there could be spirits around who also want to jump on the bandwagon, so they have to be housed. You understood?
So are you saying the second cabin where you will put your mandali is to keep illusion in and around that
bay and
cabin and that bay?
Yes, house
House
unwanted energies.
Unwanted energies in the second house.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically distracting the illusion or parking them
Correct.
in that area so that you are free to work against illusion. Okay.
And illusion also is my creation, so I have to also deal with it, right?
Right. So I always thought that you kept them apart because when you are doing universal work, your body emanates very high energy, high power voltage. So it's like a live wire of mega thousands of watts and kilowatts. So anyone coming close to you when you are in that energy state could give shock and be harmful.
That's what I'm saying. I'm housing the spirits there, right? I'm pushing them away with whatever you can call high energy, voltage, whichever way you want to quote it. So with that energy, I am keeping them at bay and at a distance, right? And of course, again, it's a representation of my calling. I am physical form. My needs being in physical form. It works both ways.
Correct.
Are you understanding?
Yes. So now the cabins are not there, but still you continue to work in Seclusion Hill?
Absolutely.
So that means your...
Baba Singh, everything that was associated with me in physical form, again, had to be disseminated, right? There was no need for the cabin to be here anymore.
Correct.
Because we didn't want a third place of pilgrimage.
Correct.
Or a second place of pilgrimage, right? We wanted only one place where Baba, everybody comes to Baba. So it was just symbolic at that point in time for it to be here anymore. In saying that, it still has a very large place of importance, because I run my universe.
This is, even today, this is a center or the power center of your universal work.
It will always continue to be as long as Baba's Samadhi and Mehrazad will exist. Energy cannot go anywhere. It has to come and go. For all you know, you have Mandali coming here. So Mandali also will come in soul form and do a lot of work.
From Seclusion Hill?
Yeah.
So basically those are the kind of board meetings and small board meetings and things like that where they all anchor in and around the Seclusion Hill for their congregation. And so that means the Seclusion Hill will continue to be always your center of activity.
Yeah, and Baba Singh, all of you will be part of that activity with a carriage which is not loaded. Baba Singh, the work I do with all my loved ones is very different. It was being done, it is being done, and it will continue. Because this is very preparatory work for me to come 700 years later. or whenever the next avatar is supposed to come.
Hmm.
And if it's me,
Hmm.
then what do you think? Who will come? Who is ready for it, right? To be with me.
Right.
Isn't it?
So we
When
all.
you're doing an expedition to the Himalayas,
Hmm.
you need the fittest people to go, right?
Correct.
Isn't it?
Correct.
Even the backpacker who can carry should be fit. Even the
Sherpa can be fit.
Yeah,
The entire team should be fit to
correct.
climb the Mount
Yeah.
Everest.
The guides
Guides.
should be fit. The animals who carry the load have to be fit. Correct. It's only they can move on to the expedition.
So you're saying 700 years from now, when you come, only fit for purpose souls will come with you.
To be part of that
Mission.
inner work.
Part of that mission or inner work. So we have to be fit to be part of your team. Yeah, thank you.